manage the relationships with businesses, which is outside the IT org, and within the IT org, which is the CIO teams. Okay. And then we have engagement services, which is the engagement and collaboration within the IT teams, the change management teams, the RDM teams, release deployment management, and the other teams. So we also manage the engagements within this. So you see those highlighted groups, right? So that's about, and today's presentation is also about the Bangalore presence of our team today. Okay, so those highlighted parts are where we have presence in Bangalore. With Michelle Bassart Enterprise Services, we have Hemant as BRM. Hemant, can you stand up? So he also supports SIM IT as a BRM. Okay, reporting into Tom Doring. And then we have our star player here, Lawrence from Heath's team. He's the domain engagement manager, right? Yeah. And so myself, reporting to Vivian under the Global Functions IT. Basically, I manage the GBS relationship, and then we have Sunil, who's the latest entry in the BRM team, managing some few of the subdomains from GFID. And he has replaced Kamlesh, who is recording right now. So Kamlesh is outgoing BRM, Sunil has replaced him. Okay. So he will again come back to you, chase you, and make sure the issues are resolved. Okay. And we have Shruti over here from the change management team. Shruti, come on, stand and say hi to everyone. Then you'll see her anyway. She'll be presenting. She'll be pushing me off the dais very soon and presenting something that she wants to share on the change management aspect. Okay, so we have basically in the CIO services, I'll talk about CIO services little in detail. So we have 4 roles out here. The account executives, which I said are the directors, are managers who kind of lead the team of business relations management, the domain engagement, and the infrastructure architecture teams. Okay, so they represent the CIO team. So if I can talk about GFID, Scott Spradley is the CIO. So Vivian represents CIO staff as a trusted advisor from the business, and again they represent the businesses from the IT standpoint. Okay. With respect to business relations management, so we manage relationship with different groups, businesses, and so there are a couple of ways the way we are engaged. There's a gateway that comes to us. But before anything comes to us, we want to ensure that the businesses or the users kind of make sure that the issue that comes to us or elevated to or escalated to us is a true IT issue. So we have to work with business teams, try to form one layer of role which is called as the super users or trusted users, and these are the people who are kind of cats of their areas. They're supposed to or expected to know their functionalities, business processes in and out. So experts. So when they say there is an IT issue, they make sure that it is not a business process issue, but it's a true IT issue, and that is when it comes to IT, either through IMC or through BRMs. Okay. So when it comes to us, the way we handle is about analyzing the issue and then working with different teams. It could be your teams, it could be problem management teams, the change management, release deployment management. So we work internally with different teams. All right. And while doing that, we also try to, when there are issues, there are obviously emotions, there are obviously frustrations coming back and forth, going back and forth, right? So we try to kind of handle that, keep it aside, make sure what goes and what comes in is the real issues and foster relationship rather than carrying blames across the teams. Okay. Then there could be, we also do monthly reviews about the ITO performance. We basically review the metrics, the TTF, reliability, any escalations that has taken place in that month, and through those discussions, if there are any items that the business wants us to deal with, we kind of handle those as well. Okay, so these are reactive things coming up, but when such things are not coming up, we are also proactive at times to look at the ticket analysis trend, see if we can do some value add over there, make some change. Okay. So that's about BRM. So I'll quickly touch upon the domain engagement and the infrastructure architecture team. So these are the teams. They also predominantly work on projects like the data center exits, or there's a lot of cloud migration as a strategy from ITIO to move applications to cloud and get the benefits. And apart from that, they team up with providing the infrastructure services. They act as consultants, guides whenever there is a requirement from CIOs for servers, development servers, and they kind of review the architecture, make sure it is in line with IT policies. If it is not, they kind of guide people, right, Lawrence? And then they also do the demand review, IBCC processes. I'm sure you are aware of that. All right. So that's a brief on business engagement services. Okay. Now I'll call Shruti to take over from there.